All right, since that camera was not recording the first time, I'm gonna do this over again. Anyway, I direct running races basically on any given weekend, and for the larger races I need a sound system and microphones, and I've always been struggling with wired mics because it sucks to be tethered to a box, and your cheap wireless mics A, break all the time, and B, have a really hard time picking up at a long distance. So what I finally did is I bought this, the Innopow 4 mic box. It has 4 microphones that in theory have 240 foot range, so we should be able to use them on our sound system. This is not made, it's not a standalone system. This is made to hook up to an existing sound system with speakers and all of the stuff that you need for actually using a real sound system. But it's great because the 4 mics are on 4 different frequencies, which means that you can basically have 4 people talking into them without it being an issue with them overlapping on each other and all that kind of stuff. It should work. Let's open it up back to the original part of the video where I opened all of this up on that camera over there, that one right there. And once I open it up, we'll head out to the race and see how it actually works in real life. See you there. We got all these mics. They take AA batteries, which came in the box. Which came in the box, surprisingly. That never happens, right? Actually, on Amazon, I think they said that there's no AA batteries, or no batteries included. Let's put a link to the Amazon page, or a screenshot of the Amazon page up right now. Batteries go in. Nice sturdy aluminum design, it's not plastic, which is great. Let's get into the actual thing here. There we go. Get some power to fire it up. Power goes in the back. And switch it on. But anyway, so we're up and running. I have the box open. Let's go back into here. Aha! The antennas are up in the top. So let's pull them out real quick. Plug them in. The camera's actually following me today, which is pretty surprising. It hasn't happened in a while. There we go. Antennas out. Let's see. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Channel 4 is on. Oh, look at that. So if you see, channel 4, microphone is off, and microphone is on, so it knows it's there. All right, unboxing is finished. Let's head out to the race and see how I do as an MC. And out to the race we go, right?
I forgot my phone.
Thank you a lot for just a
So this is my race. We are good to go, and now we'll do the finish line. All right, so I forgot to record while using the mic, but here are a couple pictures from the event. This is one of me doing the introductions. This is the mayor of Alexandria also doing introductions. And this one is one from the awards ceremony where we gave out awards. Now, you may have some questions. Do they actually work at 240 feet? Yes, emphatically yes. We had 3 mics at the starting line. The speakers were all the way down the start, and they worked really, really well for that. Were they easy to set up? Again, yes. All you had to do is plug them in, put batteries in them, and flip them on, and they worked out perfectly. So that makes it super easy. We didn't have a stand to put the thing in, but we just taped it to the top of one of the speakers, plugged it in, and it worked out really well. Sound quality is great. No reverb. They are directional mics, so you do have to hold them in front of your mouth, but aside from that, worked really well. Are they better than the cheap mics that I used in the past? Yes. Are they as good as really expensive mics? I'm not sure. Can't really tell. I didn't do a side-by-side test, but for our use, for an open event, they worked out really well. Overall, for $179, great buy. Again, links are down below for this one. If you're on YouTube, if not, they're in whatever article you're reading about this. Thanks again for watching. Remember, subscribe and comment because it helps me be able to buy more things to do reviews of. I like doing reviews of products that you usually wouldn't get from all of the big review places. Things that are slightly off the beaten path. Anyway, thanks again. See you later. Bye.